everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can bring in additional data into our database. This is important step because we don't just work with one data set, we combine multiple data sources to get deeper insight. So before going forward, I request the viewer to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful to you. Now let's get started. So now to add data, we actually have a couple of options. Usually this is done directly from within our database environment. So here I have already opened my database and you can see here the option called get data. So let me click on this. And you can see here multiple options to upload data into database. But in today's example, I am going to demonstrate simplest way to uploading a local file. Okay, and you can see here Azure Storage, Amazon S3, Event Hub and Event Stream. We will also learn Event Hub and Event Stream in upcoming video for real-time analytics. So let me focus on today local file. So let me click on this. And let me create here new table called company. So I am going to upload here company detail information. Okay, this company information like a ticker symbol and company name. So when you create here company name, then here browse option is enabled. So now let me click on this browse option and go to the file location. My file location is desktop. So let me click on this. I am going to upload here TV company file. This company information like ticker symbol and company name. So later on we can join it with our stock data set. So let me click on this open button. Okay, next here is the important part to check mark here on this first row as a header, so that this header is not counted as a data. Okay, and if you want to change here any data type, then you can select here this pencil icon to change any data type like string, decimal, integer, long. Okay, so I am only stick with here string data type because ticker and company name is string data type. Okay, so let me apply and let me click on finish button to load data into table. So within a few seconds this table is created. Okay, so you can see here status check mark is good, successfully ingested. Let me close this. Now let's check if table is available. You can see here table is available. Let me click on this and you can see here data preview of this table. Microsoft, Facebook, Google and Apple, and this is the ticker symbol. Okay, so now we have successfully added this new data, and the exciting part to come next. We can join this company TV company table with our stock data table, so that we can enrich our stock record with company name like Microsoft, Facebook, Google and Apple. In the next part we will learn exactly how join work in KQL. Okay, so in this video you learn how you can upload the file, create a new table and make it available inside your database. So that is pretty straightforward and very powerful when you want to combine different data set for richer analysis. So that's all about today's video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.